Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can tell from today's video title, it's going to be a little bit of a different video. So, self-doubt. So, let's talk about this for a second. So, well, one, I used to have to handle this every day, multiple times a day, and for me to say that it's completely gone would be I'd be lying to myself. Not only you, but I'd be lying to myself. But no one has explicitly asked this in the comments, but I've been doing this a long time, teaching people, training people, working with people. I know what it looks like before they say it. So let's talk about self-doubt for a minute. So it is an interesting term. Same thing with self-esteem. Self-esteem really isn't even that. It's what we see from others first, and then it turns into self. So what I mean by this is how to handle self-doubt. You need to find something that you are grounded in, that you enjoy doing first, that gives you a starting point, a baseline. Then you need to stretch out a little bit, solve that problem. You've heard me talk about solving problems. Life is a problem. Solving that is probably the question, the biggest, greatest question out there. So if you're working and struggling with self-doubt, what I want you to do is get into a routine that you have tasks that you can accomplish, you can feel good about yourself, and you can move on to then a little bit more challenging task. So I have a routine in the morning that I know what gets me going, that I accomplish something. I get that task complete. It is good enough, or it is exactly the way that I want to have it done. And that builds me up. And then I stretch. And then I have a list of things that if I take a hit during the day that is an ego hit, I have plenty of tasks that I can go back and I can build back up and I can move on. And it snowballs. You can snowball good and you can snowball bad. So just like that snowball rolling down the hill, once it gets enough momentum, it becomes unstoppable. So I've been really thinking about this a lot because our community is growing. So I'm seeing this more and more and more. And I don't want anyone out there struggling, thinking that they can't do this or any other task or any other thing that they want to accomplish. If you boil it down, just like I've said with problem solving, break it down into small pieces that you're able to attack and conquer and move on. You don't have to conquer them all. Break them into little pieces. So there we go. That's how I want you to go about, because look, I take this channel and this community very, very seriously. So whenever I am thinking about something or am seeing a lot of communication in undertones, I don't even have to see it. Look, I've been around a long time, so I know what it looks like. And I don't want anybody out there feeling alone, going through things. But that is what I have found successful and able to handle these things myself, and I just wanted to share those. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.